Guys, I'm here, we're checking out the new Napoleon Oasis series. Now, what's so unique about this thing is it's like a one SKU purchase. You buy one SKU, you have a full outdoor kitchen. It's stinking awesome. Let's review it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. Okay, now as a subcategory, I'm gonna start with the grill itself, and then we'll talk about the selling features of the island and everything like that. This is Napoleon's 700 series built-in grill head. This is the 32-inch model. Now, if you're shopping for this grill head on its own and you're doing your own outdoor kitchen, that's certainly an option. It only comes in the black and the 32-inch. Now, the 700 grill series is probably one of the best values for built-in grills out there. So it's gonna have Napoleon's wave rod cooking grates, okay? Then we have their traditional sear diverters, and if you know it, I've done any reviews, it's one of the best cooking systems around. Then we have their two burners, which are in all their freestanding grills. And these connectors here are gonna connect the burners when the wind blows out. So it's built just like their tried and true freestanding models, which are some of our best selling models on the market, but in a really value price. Now, the only thing you don't get is the cast aluminum tub. It is an all stainless tub, so it is not cast aluminum. Warming tray is gonna sit in here like this. Rotisserie burner is gonna come standard as well as rotisserie kit. So that's really cool too, is you get a rotisserie kit standard, and then it has their lit up knobs and interior lighting. So we got interior lighting, lit up knobs, they're gonna turn red when the burners are on. Their piezo spark ignition, I think I'm saying that correctly. So each burner has its own knob except the rotisserie burner. That's got that little electronic lighter here. I would say for the money, this is one of the best built-in grills that is in this sort of budget-friendly price point. So that's one of the selling features with this island is you get a Napoleon grill. There's not many companies out there but selling a one SKU outdoor kitchen except maybe Mount Alpi. And personally, I like the Napoleon grill much, much better. And you're getting a much better quality grill. Now, this is their Oasis modular island series. So you can do this custom, like you can buy as much of their Oasis modular islands that you want, but then you have to do your own countertops. So this is one SKU. You basically get the grill, the cabinet underneath, and the two side cabinets. So basically 3 pieces plus your stainless steel countertops. Over here we got a paper towel holder, and here we have trash storage, stainless steel countertop, power comes in from the back. Underneath, you notice this sticks out? I'm gonna get to that in a second. I'll tell you why. And we got 2 storage drawers underneath the grill. Then in here, this is like open storage. I think that if you're gonna do propane, this is where your propane tank would go. And then it even comes with, again, we have our stainless steel countertops. Comes with a Napoleon infrared side burner. If you know Napoleon, they love infrared side burners. And do you think these work, Alex?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they definitely work. So I love side burners that serve a purpose. It's not just a chintzy, dumb little side burner. That thing will get 1800 degrees and sear steak, no problem. So you have 2 settings. If you're doing pots and pans like this, if you're not doing pots and pans and you're searing, you're gonna want it like that. So it comes with the side burner as well. And I wanna say at the time of this video, depending when you're watching it, it's a little over $6,000. I promise you can't do an outdoor kitchen installed for $6 grand, you just can't. So the value is there, and I really like that they came out with a SKU like this. Now the reason this sticks out, and this is what makes this like the #1 thing about this, I believe it is the only modular outdoor kitchen setup that is only 24 inches deep. So if you're in a tight space, this thing is installed 24 inches, and that's why this grill sticks out a couple inches here. Because if you are compact, this is like the thinnest, everything else is over 30 inches, I believe. So it's very, very compact. So it's a really well-designed grill, really well thought out. Does come with the finishing end panels that install on the sides. 3 pieces, really easy. Our guys put it together in what, hour and a half?
Something like that, yeah. Wasn't too long.
That was their first time. They could honestly, they could get better at it, don't you think?
For sure.
Yeah, it could have been
I'll have
45.
a word with them.
Yeah, could have been like 45 minutes. But the average homeowner can absolutely install this. That's the beauty of this thing. You buy it, put it together, and you have a full outdoor kitchen in your backyard in under 45 minutes. Like I said, there's not much on the market out there like that except the Mont Alpi, and I just love this grill so much better. This grill is tried and true. It works really well. What do you think of the like matte black finish?
I like the black finish.
Yeah,
I
it
always
too.
tend to like the stainless stuff a little better, but this does look really sharp. I like the contrast between the stainless countertops and the black.
Yeah, I agree. And you get a side burner. One of my surprises has been, and maybe it's just my fault on the way I'm marketing, but which is through YouTube. I'm shocked we don't sell a lot more of the 700 series grill. I think it's the best built-in grill for the dollar. I don't think it's the best built-in grill. Don't misquote me. Don't take my quote out of context. It's the best built-in grill, one of the best built-in grills for the money. Really, really well priced. All right, this is kind of short, but with the beauty of this review, there's just not much to it. I mean, this is a simple, easy peasy, huh?
Yeah, I was amazed when Tony told me the price of this.
What would you think this would price at?
I thought
10K?
it was going to be over 10, yeah.
Yeah. $6,000, and there's not much to review because it's literally 3 pieces put together by your average homeowner. I mean, even I could put this together. Well, probably. Think I could?
I don't know. I've seen your wrench skills on the golf side.
There's the Napoleon Turnkey Oasis series. If you don't want construction or hassle, and you want something that's affordable, this is as good as it gets right here.